Hello, crafters. So I have a little haul to share with you. So last week I ordered from Paper Phenomenon, and I actually purchased the Gift and Mr. Benjamin Jr. album video combo. I always do that, and she had a discount for half off on the video, or actually any of the digital items. And then along with that, I went ahead and purchased some of her Daisy flat sequins, the Sunshine Yellow 3mm flat sequins, the 10 karat gold 3mm flat sequins, and the Arctic White flat sequins. And the Daisies were $5.99, the rest were $4.99, so all of it was a really great deal, and the shipping was only $5.95 for the small items. So anyway, let me show you what we've got here. So I just love these little daisies, and I thought all of these were perfect for my like bees to honey paper. So I definitely had to get that. And these also are going to work. This like gold one right here, that's going to work for Christmas, as well as the white. I love that. And then here's the yellow. This is like the perfect yellow, if you know what I mean. And what I like about it, these are the flat, round, circular ones with a little hole in the middle, and I like those. And then again, here are the little daisies. So I just want to share that with you. And so hopefully I will get my little Benjamin Jr. album together to share with you pretty soon here. And I haven't decided if I want to do the bee paper or something else, but I don't know yet. And then also I have another haul. Hold on, guys. I got to turn around here. It's a pretty big haul, so give me 1 second. Okay. Whew. Now, let me separate this real quick by store. Okay, yes. Yeah, okay. And I have more coming. I just haven't gotten it all yet. So anyway, let me go through the dies first. And this one is from the Kscraft store. Now, I purchased this on Amazon only because I wanted to get it right away. And I'm just like that. So anyway, this is a snow globe, but I was thinking of using it as a crystal ball. Okay, so I'm using it as a snow globe for Christmas, and also I'm going to do a crystal ball. So I thought that would be really fun to do. So I'm excited about that. Then here I purchased this really super cute, let me go ahead and open this up. This is from Zfparty, and actually I believe this is the KLJUYP store on AliExpress. But I just had to get this. So this is a little Christmas mug, and it comes with like a straw, and you have your little foam, and then you have another little layering piece here. You have the little snowflakes and the Christmas lights. I'm thinking that's what that is. I don't know. I'm going to double check on that, but you definitely have the candy cane, and I love how it's in two pieces so you can do the red and white, right? I don't have to draw it in. And then look at these little Christmas lights here. Another little Christmas tree, again with a little background. And then you have a little bow too. So I thought that was really super cute. Cannot wait to use that. And I know this is going to have several things that I can do with this. And then I also purchased this really super cute gingerbread die. As you all know, or maybe you don't know, I'm obsessed with gingerbreads, okay? Always have been and probably always will be. So I purchased this little guy. Isn't he cute? I just love it. So he has the little leaves with the berries, a little bow tie. He's got a little icing head. I just love it. It is so stinking cute. And I thought, okay, what if I had him kind of like sticking out of the cup, right? So I thought, all right, so I can do two things with one. Okay, now also I purchased this fun little potion bottle. And to be honest with you, I know that Hannah with Kscraft and the KLJUYP store, they are friends, and often they will sell each other stuff. They will share designs. So I thought this was really cute for Halloween. I'm so excited. I'm trying to think what this says. Brew, and oh, witch's brew. I love it. How cute is that? So I can't wait to make something with that. So yeah, I definitely not only get dies from these stores, but I buy them as well. And I probably shouldn't be opening these because if I get any duplicates, I can definitely, well, no, I'm going to open it anyway. I'm definitely going to do a giveaway if I get duplicates of these, okay? I do Happy Mail or something like that. But this one I thought was really cute. And by the way, the KLJUI party, or sorry, KLJUIP store is the Z as in zebra, F as in Frank party store on Amazon. So just so you know. Is this not stinking cute? I just love this little pie. You have cherries, you have the little whipped cream, you have a shaker piece for this, so, and then you have the crust. Isn't that adorable? And then you have the cute little design for the pie top. So I love that. Can't wait to make something with that. That's going to be perfect for Christmas and Thanksgiving or any baking themed mini album. So I think it has definitely a lot of uses. And here we go. Here's another gingerbread. Probably should have opened these all up. I apologize. But, you know, I can't help myself. And I will say that the one thing I love about purchasing from Amazon is that they come in these cool little packages. Okay. With a zipper. We have another gingerbread shaker. I love it. And this could be a girl or a boy. So definitely adorable. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. That was Debbie. Okay, so this is another one from the Zfparty store. And this is a bat shaker. So I'm pretty excited to be using this for Halloween as well because I actually don't have one. So, and I believe this is a bat shaker, what do you call it? Like a bag topper. That's what it is. Isn't that cute? I'm sorry, I didn't even know that. Okay, sorry, I'm such a nut. Anywho, I'll definitely be creating something with this for sure. And then here is one of my other favorites right here. This is the potion bottle, a big one. And I know this was definitely designed by Nicole. She shared this today. So I'm so excited. Uh-oh. How do I get in here? I'm almost wondering if some of these are actually Kscraft, but I will definitely look that up for you. And if I do find out, I will put it down in the links below. But so I'm so sorry for all the racket, but I want to show you all the layering pieces because this is so cool. So first of all, I love any kind of scully face with kind of like the upside down heart nose. Okay, I'm obsessed with that. And I also like the layering eyeballs. So that is always important to me. And then I'm not sure what this is. Oh, the cork. I almost thought it was cheese. Okay, sorry. I'm a nut. Okay, and then you have the little bones. And then you have your layering pieces, okay? So this can definitely be turned into a shaker, and I love it. This is awesome, guys. I think you're going to love this too. Pretty sure it's a shaker. I'm almost 100% positive. But anyway, so I'm excited about that. And you know what? I'm just going to put this in here. I apologize. If I don't, I will lose the pieces. For sure. I've done it so many times. And then I'm like searching around with magnets. I swear, we need a magnet stick for us crafters, okay? So if a magnet hits the floor, or, you know, if our dies hit the floor or whatever, we can easily pick them up. So anyway, this is from a store called Satin. And this is definitely traditional holiday or wedding ribbon. And this is a beautiful blush color. It is absolutely beautiful. This is a double-sided satin ribbon. Really, really pretty. So I can't wait to use that. This one, I believe, is a 1/2 inch. Does it say on here? It does not. Wait, maybe it says on here. 5/8. I apologize. This one is 3/8, and I bought a bunch of different colors in this one. So I won't open them all, but this is a beautiful, gorgeous red crushed ribbon. Isn't it stunning? And you get, I believe, 39 yards maybe to 50 yards. I don't know if it says. It doesn't say. I apologize, guys. And so then I also purchased this in a blush pink or pink. Well, not really blush pink. This is just a light pink. And this is 3/8 inches. This one is also 3/8 inches, and I bought a cream color. Okay. So I think they're really pretty, and they weren't very expensive. Also, I purchased these cute little pearl snowflakes. And then I also purchased these cute little candy pieces that you could probably put on those pokey tools or a bracelet or charms, anything like that. Hold on. Okay, and last but not least, I also purchased these jelly roll pens. These are the 0.5 millimeter, and these are perfect for creating your little gingerbread or any kind of, if you want to write on colored paper, you can definitely do that with this. So it was not very expensive. You get 6 of them. So I was like, well, you can't go wrong with that. So I was super excited about that because, I plan to use them for my gingerbread people and other of my dyes that I want to do, especially like my Halloween ones where I'm going to use black and I want to have lots of accents or dark purple. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching my haul, and I will put all the links down below that I can find. Definitely check out the dyes. I love them, and I love anything that Nicole makes. So anyway, guys, I will see you all soon. Bye, guys.